Hey everybody, it's Ann Marie Walts, sometimes called the resident stylist. But tonight I just wanted to say thank you for the education at the summit, first of all. And there was a YouTube speaker there, and some of us had the opportunity to have him educate us on using YouTube. So I literally just got back, uh, um, you know, on it was the wee hours of actually Saturday morning. So we're talking it was like one. I didn't go to bed till like 2 in the morning, and today's only 28th, so there's really only 2 days. And so I've been making relentless content since then, and have had already. I just wanted to show that there were some. Well, just the look at this, just the activity there, right? And so I thought that would be useful information. And if you haven't used your YouTube page, then you should really, really start, first of all. And I was trying to find, well, let's see. Oh, the impressions right here. So look at this. This one right here is one that's long content, because they said that long content can actually perform really well on YouTube. And they're not kidding. It's already had 2,200 impressions. And then this other one that I made was 20 minutes long, and it had 1,500 impressions. So I got to say, that's not off to a bad start whatsoever. So yeah, this is freaking awesome. So I'm going to be living over here on YouTube to be able to talk about Go High Level at some point. But right now, I'm just jump starting my YouTube page based on the information that was given to us at the summit, which was absolutely amazing. If you didn't buy your tickets yet, I'd strongly recommend it. All right, thanks.